Alright, now we are going to be extending the use of the continue and break statements to a nested loop, okay, and see what happens there. Okay, I've already written the code for a simple multiplication table here. Okay, so let me run this over here. Okay, so what you see is I have an outer loop that runs from 1 up to 4, inner loop runs up to 1 up to 4. Okay, so in the outer loop is 1, which is I, the j goes from 1 to 4, and then I print out the multiplication of that. Okay, and it carries on. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to extend this and see what happens when I put a break here. So I want to say that if j equals to 2, break. All right, and let's see what happens here. Okay, so I'm going to save it and I'm going to run it over here. Okay, what you see is, okay, you see that the printout is only 4 lines. Okay, why is that so? Because when I is 1, I come in, j is 1, all right? So this condition is not satisfied, so I print out 1 times 1. But the moment I go back for the next iteration, j has become 2. And the moment j is equals to 2, I will execute the break statement. Okay, from the earlier lesson, we know that the break causes you to end the loop and go to the line just after the loop. Okay, but in this case, since it is a nested loop, I will break from the inner loop, but I will still carry on with the next iteration of the outer loop. So in the next iteration of the outer loop, I is now 2. Alright, and now j is 1 again. So I'll print 2 times 1, 2. But the next iteration of the inner loop, j becomes 2, and I will break again. Okay, so that is why I only print out one line for each of the inner loop. Alright, so that's why you see this printout over here. Now the same thing, but I'm going to change the break to continue. All right, and let's see what happens. I'm going to save and I'm going to run it here. What do you see here? You see that whenever j is equals to 2, because I have the continue instruction here, it means that I will skip the lines that are remaining for this inner loop, but I will carry on with the next iteration of the inner loop. Okay, so that is why for the inner loop, which is j, you only see the values 1, 3, and 4. 1, 3, and 4. Alright, because whenever I hit an inner loop value of 2, I will not execute this line because of the continue statement over here. Alright, so I hope this video gives you a clear idea of how the break and continue actually play a part in controlling a nested loop. Alright, so please give it a try yourself and see how things work. Alright, thank you. Bye.